Hello, I'm Coin유niverse. In this video, I'll teach you everything you need to know about Binance. You are gonna learn how to deposit money on Binance first. And I'll teach you how to deposit cryptocurrency in the next video. If you only have a local currency, you can take two fiat payment options. You have your account and have already done verify identity, then you are ready to start buying some cryptocurrency. Let's get into the tutorial.
Buying cryptocurrency with credit, debit card.
Hover over Buy Crypto. Click on Credit/Debit Cards. Select your preferred fiat currency. Crypto. And the amount of crypto you want to buy. Click on Continue. You can pay using a new card. Or you can also choose from the cards you've already registered on your Binance account. You can bind up to 5 cards, but Binance supports only Visa card or MasterCard payments. Click on Add New Card. Enter your card details and click on Next. Enter your billing address and click on Add Card. Check the payment details and confirm your order within 1 minute. Because after 1 minute, the price and the amount of crypto you'll get will be recalculated. You can click on Refresh to see the latest market price.
Depositing fiat with credit, debit card.
Hover over Wallet. Click on Fiat and Spot. Click on Deposit. Select your preferred fiat currency and choose Bank Card. Then click on Continue. Enter your MasterCard or Visa card information, the number, expiry date, and security code. Click on Next. Enter your billing address and click on Add Card. If you already have added a card previously, you can skip this part and simply select the card you want to use. Please make sure the information is accurate before clicking on Continue. Enter the amount you want to deposit and click on Continue. The amount will then be added to your fiat balance.
What's the difference?
I mean, both ways are efficient, convenient, and safe. The one you choose should depend on which method is available in your country and what you intend to achieve. The fastest of both options is the debit and credit card purchase. Direct card purchases help you buy cryptocurrencies at real-time prices. If you want to build up your fiat balance for buying and trading, use card deposits to top up your fiat wallet. With cash in your fiat balance, you can wait until you find the most desirable price before you make a purchase. Thank you for watching this. If you need more tutorials, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply and have a chat with you.